Brake problems affect millions of drivers, but many issues can be fixed at home, saving hundreds of dollars. Here are the 5 most common brake problems and their DIY solutions. Worn brake pads cause 40% of all brake issues. Listen for squealing or grinding noises when braking. These are clear warning signs that your pads need replacement. Warped brake rotors account for 25% of brake problems. You'll feel steering wheel vibration or a pulsating brake pedal when this happens. Brake fluid problems represent 20% of brake issues. Contaminated, low, or old brake fluid can seriously compromise your braking performance. Sticking brake calipers cause 10% of brake problems. Watch for your vehicle pulling to one side or uneven brake pad wear patterns. Brake line problems are the least common at 5% of issues, but they're critical for safety. Look for corrosion, leaks, or visible damage to brake lines. DIY brake repairs can save you an average of $300 to $500 per service. With online tutorials and proper tools, these repairs are more accessible than ever before. While DIY brake work can save significant money, safety must always be the top priority. Understanding when to avoid DIY repairs and following proper safety practices is essential for both your safety and your vehicle's performance. There are several situations where DIY brake work should be avoided. Modern vehicles with ABS, electronic stability control, and other electronic brake systems require specialized diagnostic equipment. Complex brake line fabrication and master cylinder repairs involve safety-critical hydraulic connections that demand professional expertise. Following proper safety practices is crucial for DIY brake work. Always use proper jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Avoid using compressed air on brake dust due to potential asbestos concerns. Adhere to manufacturer torque specifications for all fasteners, and always thoroughly test the brake system before returning the vehicle to service. Modern brake systems have evolved significantly with electronic integration. Anti-lock braking systems, electronic stability control, and brake assist make some DIY repairs more complex, often requiring specialized diagnostic equipment. Additionally, new ceramic and semi-metallic brake pad compounds offer longer life but require specific tools and knowledge for proper installation. Economic factors are making DIY brake work increasingly attractive. Professional brake service costs have increased 15 to 20% since 2023, while advanced diagnostic tools and brake bleeding equipment have become more affordable and accessible to home mechanics. This trend is driving more vehicle owners to consider DIY solutions. The statistics underscore the importance of proper brake maintenance and safety practices. Brake-related failures account for 5% of vehicle crashes, with 94% attributed to lack of maintenance rather than component defects. However, proper maintenance intervals can extend brake component life by 40 to 60%, making regular attention to your brake system both a safety and economic necessity. Remember, when it comes to brake work, safety always comes first. If you have any doubts about your ability to safely complete a brake repair, consult with a qualified professional. Your safety and the safety of others on the road depends on properly functioning brakes.